I never would have imagined that kitchen salt isn't just for cooking. It can also be used to nurture flowers and vegetables. Did you know that? Today, I'm sharing a pest control recipe with everyone. Once you learn this recipe, you'll never need to buy insecticides again. It can completely eliminate aphids, cabbage worms, and whiteflies, leaving your vegetable garden completely pest-free. Many agricultural stores won't tell you about this because they'd lose money. Today, I'm sharing it with you all. Please tap the small red heart and plus sign on the right so you can find it later. The recipe calls for 1 ounce of salt, 1 ounce of baking soda, and 1 ounce of rice vinegar dissolved in 80 pounds of water. After thorough mixing and dissolution, spray it on the leaves of fruits and vegetables for pest control and increased yield. It's both environmentally friendly and safe. Have you got it all memorized? Follow me for more tips on healthy gardening.